Right, we're going to show you an absolute magic coil. Here's the coil. It's a very interesting coil because it actually has no resistance. There's my meter. We're just showing it on ohms, and if I join it to the two terminals, there is absolutely nothing there. You may not think I'm actually touching it, but I am. I can assure you there is nothing, and we can put the meter on buzz or diode. Don't know where that is. It's there. We go. Okay, so we've now got the meter gonna buzz. There's nothing, no buzz whatsoever. So let's just hold that on there and hold that on there. So there's no conductivity through this coil. Now, what's interesting is we have some LEDs here, and let's just see whether these LEDs work. You can see that. Oops, not that way round, they don't. Let's turn it round. There you go. LEDs glowing. I hope you can see that glow. Come on. Let's there we go. You can see the LED glowing. And we've got another one here. And doesn't work that way round, obviously. But that way round it's going to glow. Now, this coil is quite amazing, because although there was no continuity around the coil, if I put a lead across it, like I'll just wire it across, and you can see fairly clearly that this lead isn't glowing. So there's nothing exciting about this. So let's now, is that nicely in the view? Let's now get another lead. Oh, and that's interesting. It came on, but there can't be any, if it's a coil, there's nothing coming. The lead would light if there was going to be a current flowing in it. But if I put two LEDs the same way round, nothing happens. But if these LEDs are actually in opposite, come on, make proper contact. This, I should really be doing this properly, but God, it's come off. Let's do this properly, shall we? Let's wind that on there. It's all gonna. Oh, it's coming off this one. It's. You can see I haven't fiddled with this coil anyway. It's the same coil that I started the video with. No glowing there. But as soon as I put this, jeez, grief, I should solder this, but I'm not going to. So there's, is this gonna, no, it's not, it keeps coming off. This is a live video, as they say. Get this round the right way, And look, there it glows. Look at that. You see that? It's there's no glowing with one lead, but as soon as I put the other lead on there, let's twist that round so you can see. As soon as I put the other lead on there, it glows. Why is that? I've got nothing in my hands, no batteries or hidden secrets, but if I can balance that on there perhaps. I don't want to take anything out of camera shot, otherwise you'll say I'm cheating. But is that gonna, can I get that to hold on there? God, dear oh dear. No lead. Look, come on, let's just dangle that in there. There you go. Can you see that? Let's zoom in a little bit. There. Look, it's just, it's all very, it's not very, it's just not, there you go. Little glowy lead. Come on, camera. Now what are you doing? Oh my god, camera, come back into focus. Come on. There you go. So there is the, as soon as you touch it, it just, because these are balanced very delicately, you just have to get the lead the right way round. And look, that's it, that's it, there you go. Now you can see it. Now there's nothing in the way. But if I take one LED off, the lights go out. So tell me why that is. Why? So the LEDs actually have to be the opposite way round, not the same way round, otherwise it doesn't work. I don't know if I've got a pair of green LEDs back to front here. I wonder if it'll work with green LEDs. Not. It works with green LEDs as well. And what's interesting is all the LEDs work, the red and the green, and normally you can't put LEDs in parallel that are different colours because of the different voltages. You find that it clamps to the lowest LED voltage. So we've got a low voltage red LED there. You'd assume that it would be clamping the voltage so that at least one of these other green LEDs wouldn't come on. So there we go. It's nothing apart from a magic coil that hasn't got any DC resistance through it whatsoever, and yet we can get LEDs to glow. So how's that working? Let's have your answers in the comments.